Let us see exercise 2.6 related question, conversion of time. So here we have to convert the times in years, years to months, or months to days, week to days. Okay, like this we can convert the time. So here it is given 1 year equals to 12 months. So first we are going to convert year to months. So if we want to convert year to month, we have to multiply the number of years, whatever the number of years are given to us, by 12. Like suppose over here 5 years is given. So in solution, how you are going to write? You are going to first mention that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So it is very important for you to write this. Okay, don't skip this. 1 year equals to 12 months. Now since you are having 5 years, so 5 years will be equal to how much? We will multiply the number of years by 12. 5 multiplied by 12. Okay, so here we are converting it in months, so we will write over here months. So 5 into 12 is how much? 5 into 12 is 60. Okay, 12 का टेबल आप पढ़ेंगे, 12 5 से क्या होता है? 60 होता है. So it will be 60 months. So in 5 years there will be total 60 months. Here the next question is 2 years 9 months. So see over here, months are also given, years are also given. We have to convert years only to months. We will not do anything with these months. Okay, so we know since in 1 year there are 12 months, so in 2 years 9 months, when we have to convert 2 years 9 months, so what we will do, we know that 1 year equals to 12 months, so we will just write 2 multiplied by 12, okay, in bracket, as we have to convert only the years, plus there are 9 more months. Okay, so we will write down over here 9 months. Now 12 into 2 is how much? 24. So 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 is how much? Is 33 months. In this way you have to write. अगर months दिए हैं तो आपको months को add करना है और years को convert करके आपको months में लिखना है, and then you have to add the months. Similarly, if we want to convert year to days, so we know that 1 year equals to 365 days. So we have to multiply the number of years by 365 as we are converting years into days. So if we want to convert 2 years into days, so we know that 1 year equals to 365 days. So 2 years will have 2 multiplied by 365 days. So when we will multiply, we will get the value as 730 days. Okay, in this way you can convert years to days. Let us see next conversion, that is months to days. So in this we have to multiply number of months by 30. Why? Because in 1 month there are 30 days. Okay, so we are going to multiply whatever the number of months given to us by 30, and if there are days given, so we will just add the number of days over there. Okay, because we have to convert only the months into days. So here, as in question it is given 10 months 4 days, so 10 months 4 days will be 10 months we have to convert. So we will write the number 10 and we will multiply it with 30, and 4 more days are there, so we will mention it over here, write it over here in addition form. Now 10 into 30 is how much? 300. Okay, so plus 4 days, so it will be 304 days. So in this way you can convert months to days. Now let us see how to convert week into days. So if we want to convert week to days, we have to multiply number of weeks by 7. Why? Because in 1 week there are 7 days. So as in the question it is given 2 weeks 6 days, so we have to convert only the weeks. So we are going to multiply 2, as number of weeks is 2, by 7, and 6 more days are there, so we are going to add it as 6 days. Now 7 twos are how much? 14 plus 6 days. So total how many days it will be in 2 weeks 6 days? It will be 20 days. So in this way you can convert the time. So exercise 2.6 you have to do in your fair copy. Let us see another conversion, that is days, hour, minutes and second. Now our first conversion over here is days to hours. So if we want to convert days to hours, then what we have to do? So here the question is 4 days to hours. So we have to convert days into hours. Okay, so since we know that 1 day is how many hours, is equal to 24 hours. So we have to convert only days, and there 2 more hours are given, so we are going to add. Okay, so 4 days will have 4, multiply 4 by 24. So whenever we have to convert days into hours, so we will multiply the number of days by hours. Okay, 24 by 20, as 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So we will put it in bracket, and 2 more hours are given over here, so we will add it. So 4 into 24 will be how much? You can multiply it in the rough column. 4 4s are 16, carry over 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. So it is 96 plus 2 hours. So 96 plus 2 is how much? 97 and 98. So it will be equal to 98 hours. So in this way you can convert days into hours. Now here we have to convert next hours to minutes. So if we want to convert hours to minutes, so we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will use this relation to convert hours to minute. Whatever the number of hours are given, we are going to multiply it with 60, as 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So let us see the question over here. 10 hours 10 minutes is given over here. So we have to convert only the hours. So we will multiply 10 by 60. Okay, as 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, so 10 hours में कितने minutes होंगे? 10 into 60. We will put it in bracket, and there are 10 more minutes given over here, so they are already in minutes, so we are just going to add 10 minutes. So for minutes we can just simply write MIN dot also. Okay, this is the short form of minutes. So 10 into 60 is 600 plus 10 minutes. Okay, now 600 plus 10 is 610 minutes. So 10 hours 10 minutes will have total 610 minutes. So now here we have to convert minutes to seconds. Okay, minutes को seconds में convert करना है. So how we will do? We know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. तो 1 minute में 60 seconds होते हैं, तो जो भी हमें minute के आगे number दिया होगा उसमें हमें 60 का multiply करना होगा. Okay, you have to learn these conversion, and you have to write these conversion first in your fair copy, then you will start with the exercise. Okay, so here we have to convert 2 minutes 37 seconds. So we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 2 multiplied by 60, as 2 minutes we have to convert. So 2 into 60 is how much? It is 120. Okay, so 120 plus 37 seconds are more given over here, so we will add them. Seconds can be written as SEC. Okay, this is the short form. So 120 plus 37, you can add it in the rough column. Okay, you have to do the addition in the rough column. So it is 157 seconds. So total we have got 157 seconds when we converted 2 minutes 37 seconds. So complete the exercise.